What's good, front wheel drive? You already know it's your boy, and I'm back, and I'm all in your face, dog, because I'm hitting you with another one, bro. I just got out the gym, so I ain't gonna, I'm trying to get there. You get what I'm saying? All right, I'm trying to get there. All right, but we ain't here for that. Y'all ain't come here to see me do all that. Came here to show y'all this. Now, hold up. I came here to show y'all this. Yes, sir. Y'all already know what this is. Waited a minute. I finally got mine, as everybody else. You know what I'm saying? This is the Carten. This is the shaft-driven front-wheel drive, cuz. Yeah, we up. We next. Yeah. Big dog. Yes, sir. We up. Everything carbon fiber, dog. We ain't finna... I'm just finna bust the packs open like this. I ain't even finna go through all that. I ain't even finna go through all that. I'll show you that carbon... How we looking on that carbon fiber? Okay. All right. We're looking carbon fibery. Okay. All right. Hey, man. Y'all already know what the deal is, bro. I already got electronics for this. You get what I'm saying? I already got everything. I'm not sure. Man, please tell me what y'all think. Should I go hobby wing motor or R1 motor? I got a good hobby wing. I never really got to bust it open like that. 7.5. Hobby wing or R1? I already know everybody's finna say R1. I already know that. So, outside of that, bro, bomb. Look what else I got for that bad boy. I ain't even show it yet. Yes, sir. This going right on there. This one already ready. I couldn't wait. This one's specific just for this car. Black and gold to match. Hey, bro. Listen, I'm finna get up out of here. Just got out the gym. I just got this car today. Y'all already know I'm nuts with it. You feel me? I got my boy coming over. We gonna do our thing. We gonna, you know what I'm saying, match it up a little bit. And I'm like, bro, I need your help working on this car, dog. And we gonna see. Hopefully tomorrow, I can hit y'all back and be like, bro, running. You get what I'm saying? Outside of that, man, y'all stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, dog. You feel me? We're coming back with another one, dog. Cartel front wheel drive kit. We gonna be, this one ain't finna be the first. We gonna be drag racing one. Y'all might be touring, we finna drag race one. We gonna see if I can get it off rip. This one I'm hoping. My first run, I don't break nothing. That's the first thing I'm hoping. First run is under 3.0. All right, let's see what this cartel shaft driven got to do. I'm gonna get with y'all later. Like, share, subscribe. Hey.